Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, gusto ko lang magkwento sa experience namin sa unang out of the country vacation namin ni Pangga. Welcome to Georgia. Georgia is like 4 hours away from UAE by plane. That's why pinili namin dito bumisita kasi malapit lang talaga siya. Traveling here from UAE is very budget friendly kasi kapag nagpabook ka ng at least 6 months from today's date ay may makukuha ka talaga ng mababang presyo ng ticket via Wizz Air. Back and forth na siya mga katropa. On our case, we booked our flight 3 months prior to the flight date and we paid 400 dirhams for our two-way plane ticket from Abu Dhabi going to Kutaisi Airport. Paglapag namin sa Kutaisi Airport, diretso kami agad sa immigration, which took around 20 minutes dahil sa haba ng pila ng mga turista. Pero for checking, mabilis lang naman ang proseso nila. After that, kinuha na namin ang mga bagahe namin at dumiretso na sa labas. Overall experience is very good. Hindi crowded sa airport that time. That was around 8 p.m. Hindi nakakalito sa loob kasi maliit lang din naman ang Kutaisi Airport. From Kutaisi, sinundo kami ng nabook naming big taxi via Bolt application to our accommodation and we paid around 73 dirhams. Pero 5 naman kami naghati-hati, so divide na lang natin siya sa 5. Sa accommodation na nakuha namin, 3 kami sa isang room and we paid 64 dirhams just for a night kasi we're planning to travel the following day to Tbilisi, which is the country's capital. Malamig ng mga panahon na yun. That was March. Buti na lang, merong heater sa loob ng room para komportable pa din ang pahinga mo despite of the cold weather. On our first day sa Georgia, we decided to explore what Kutaisi has to offer. And we booked our travel tour with Budget Georgia. Per person, we paid 85 dirhams for a full day exploration, which includes travel to Sataplia Nature Reserve, Martfili Canyon Nature, a few stops to try fresh dishes, and many more. Nga pala mga katropa, heads up lang. Yung ibang tour may need additional payment for entrance fee. So my advice, magdala na din kayo ng extra kahit mga additional 100 dirhams just in case lang. If adventure and nature is what you're looking for, I would advise na sa Kutaisi kayo mag-start kasi madami silang mga ganito. Ang gaganda ng mga falls nila dito mga katropa, yung mga history and many more. We started the tour at around 9 a.m. and we finished at 6 p.m. And then we asked them to drop us back sa Kutaisi Airport kasi from there, meron ng bus na maghahatid sa inyo sa Tbilisi. Kahit na madami kayong dalang maleta for only 35 dirhams. So again, that's another budget tip na pwede nyo din gawin mga katropa. And that's it for today. I hope to see you again on our next vid. Basta mga katropa, ingat lang palagi. Salamat!